Look at me. Look at me. Lucas. Turn around. I want to take your picture. Okay, now jump around and run around and catch snowflakes on your tongue.
Oh, yummy.
Yummy. Say something. What are you doing?
I eat the rain.
You're eating the rain? And what's special about the rain?
Because I like it.
But why is it not like regular rain right now? Why is it white? It's on your coat. See it on your coat? Why is it white?
Don't you want this white?
What?
See this cake? See, I made that cake.
You made this candy cane? Really? I didn't know you made that. Oh, you're gonna lick it? Don't lick it.
Number show.
The candy cane is dirty. Okay, we have your picture in the snow. Are you ready to go back inside?
Yahoo!
Yahoo! Are you done? Alright, that's enough of that.
No, but if she parks at my house, they have to freezes up.
They won't never cut the car off.